Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to hide notifications on lock screen in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. Suppose if you lock your phone and if you try to unlock your phone, here in the lock screen itself, you are seeing notification. Okay, this is called lock screen notification. Okay, so notifications will be showing on lock screen. Okay, that means even if your phone is locked, you can see the notifications over the lock screen. So if you would like to turn off or hide notifications on lock screen, yes, you can do it. What you have to do is just go to the settings of your phone first. Go to settings and then go to notification and status bar, and here click on lock screen, and here click on lock screen notifications, and it is already set to show app and notification content. Okay, if you set don't show, third option, no notification will be showing on lock screen. Okay, only after entering into your phone you can see the notifications. Okay, see here, now no notifications showing. Okay, so in this way you can easily hide notifications on lock screen in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.